It's all about Susuma Hofe entertainment show about so Mankranso. Komfo Kwadee did a great job. Young rough father. It's all about Angie's Board TV. Hey, so I now call for power. You know what you are ever count. All right, great people. Michelle be about Angie's Board Multimedia. Me near the fresh boy Papa Che. And as I share me, I try to subscribe or like and I share. Na bibia koso kama papa any amount. O share na me voice na a bit silky kakra. It's all about Susuma Hofe entertainment show about so Mankranso. No, so na me na me official MC for the event. You know, my tete mo sa amade acha ba me voice no. I know say come rest in mum. Or say me ma hu the course so show na because your promo show now for some time now. Your promo show now for some time now. And he say and Yakobo show ne we na say ma wo ehun the course so show na say na kwa say be ne ma bi asie bi na want me ama ho. Enti ne be kire ne ma course so show no say. But before say memo hu the course so show na say no. Kai say 22nd of May 2026 year. Dr. Likey, Papa Kumaz, and Mama Brown, Shefo, Abroa Mafia, Wendy Shame, Okene J Bad, and acrobat to S Tommy, O2 Indigo, UK, O2 Indigo, Basso, a comedy and music. We're first time actors and actresses, Kaboom, Akoye O2 Indigo, Akwa Show, Ebisida, Dr. Likey, and the team, quite team anyway, and so 22nd of May, do what about now I join it UK once so have a fun na bibia koso come up at the amount. Wo enra na 23rd of March and 24th na anope ya na free soon show na say by around 5:30 getting to 6 no nothing na Kofi Kinaata free stage so artist buy no Kofi Kinaata Komfo Kwadee Rough Father Kilentua and Papa Kumase and the Baba Gracie occasion. It was a spectacular, a great show. And Mankranso Happy John's Resort show crazy. Na adi akwa me wan say. I'm on focus on Komfo Kwadee sebi ebisi obodam ebisi no mfa Komfo Kwadee team perform biom. But last night Komfo Kwadee did a great job. Komfo Kwadee did a great job. Last no because Komfo Kwadee or performing any riff in the lyrics. The okay be aboa. Komfo Kwadee at Susum our first bash no Mankranso. Oh my jeez. Spectacular performance, crazy performance. Hey, the lyrics no or punching one after the other. Or on the only artist or just stage rapper ya or rapping the lyrics toe to toe, head to toe, or your lyrics MOB was guy no or kind of lyrics because okay way back Komfo Kwadee extra nyom na ene or rapper be rate me fi or no mpo mo so ra mo kase o Komfo Kwadee wise hey word by word what I say punchline by punchline rhyming by rhyming to deliver the song no nyina word be on be the rate fi ba kokra Komfo Kwadee eye bibia kama entu make say oh papa just ma okay there emesanya no kre na woka me ne wo ko ne akwa kohwe Komfo Kwadee performance of the maye at the Salabash course of Mankranso no there is a Komfo Kwadee ni riff in the lyrics of rapo be bia dito am say chale Komfo Kwadee still now to people show bibia anya man no the man is okay, he's doing well and how was in fans interacting and what you say onimi oh ye bia we also drop away mame Komfo Kwadee performance e wo ye Susuma Hofe entertainment Salabash on Mankranso yen ko hwe Komfo Kwadee performance near your Bible say yes and pa the man is still Komfo Kwadee. So that was the performance of Komfo quite spectacular. What you say? On my energy at stage as on only age. Just maybe I would do what you say when you so all performing so gentle and deliver. I'm obi energy. Me and Kasa de know me who Komfo quite the performance no. Manage pa. It Komfo quite the open up show. He's available. He's available. Open I'll be no contact me because open Komfo quite you bet me the number. Now what me the number show me be akoso kama pa. Eddie amam. After Komfo Kwade call, the next artist or buyer on stage, rap father. Rap father so buy or be say rap father. And so yeah, they don't see a young guys who may have high life. Ghana, rap father and so can be or a very, very good artist. You see high life no there. Rap father, young guys now, rap father is one of them. Also backstage, ever says fans in the G. It is show there. A massive show ni a big the nipa buyer. Ama na cheno bi anya baby mponye dem entina VIP baby aboma sunsuma ofe oyade pa oyade oni oye history e woye Mankranso because when made in show no ankasa organize a enu a course na ano edin pa na efe yenhwe rap father or stage how was the fans no interact here what you say or tone high life song no enti wonti mami nhye bi ana atade mami nhye bi ana mpaboy mami nhye bi ana kwakunwie enti rap father deliver powerful song ho ama obia eni yenhwe rap father e wo sunsun a wo fe salabash na say yenhwe rap father performance ono so edit my spectacular rap father. So one maybe why because you bought advert na sen ka also bet what me about but when to me maybe we in a course next time but say show be susman of entertainment dey baby na try say also be storming na wa ba be have fun wa be party na be akoso kama e dey amount dey salabash no after rap father no and a killentua killentua so e buy killentua buy also no on a content creator. Killentua is a content creator. Say Ghana open content creator pa o mama for esre pa o Ghana ha dia. Utimi ni Killentua in film. As for powers, as so bounce on rap for the ewonyom. No buy on dancers e backstage and na 7 aya na hosa sa energy bi na wona 7 or the backstage on so e be entertain e fans no mo so energy pa. Killentua SS storm stage e be say so e ma obi e was sunsun a of salabash na say. Yen twa Killentua performance or the energy do because all run attack there cry no they said gem oh my jeez it was fun you Killentua at the Sala Fest of course our Mankranso Happy Jones Resort you Killentua Papa just what I say
Don't call the beat.
Okay, hello. Can I make sure I can hear? They can say what's up, what's up.
Crazy performance. Crazy performance. Show me a kama. Show me a kama. Girls buy, boys buy. Obi any je na Mankranso for no. Omba show na. Omo mano in terms how. Omo man in terms. Dey you could do no. Na say go from ba na so mo ma afebo be 12 1 2 more no. Gate na no na achi. Just say boys buy girls but mo buy 200 Ghana cedis so mo buy. Ma bibia kama pa. So after killing Tiano, Papa Kumasi so buy the pharmaceutical Nemo wa medesa, lega chibo wa medesa, omoka antingwa. O you stay tomorrow to Papa Kumasi so buy na me anam so me MCA, me say back Papa Kumasi, me hype man, na nye easy. Yes, sales one ma na nya asem ke to aga. Papa Kumasi's performance or actor and also a musician and tensi. Okuta energy or backstage, you know. Na energy na no dey. But you Papa Kumasi performance and also the my Salafest at Pijos Resort Mankranso. Papa Kumasi performance. Fantastic. When your Papa Kumasi and what I say, show no dankasa. What you remember be there. And MC so me any DJ Texas and MC Texas. In Nigeria more you handle be for 5 to 2 because all shouting some voice in the corner. Me bre pa na me dey kasa. Remember say man how I show e call kama pa. So Papa Kumasi wie no. And after now say you make way. The artist of the day. Also eba na oba ebe performing. We say they know that show no so ankasa Kofi Kinaata. So Kofi Kinaata eba stage ebe say so dropping the songs na back to back. E ma won say bia call so kama pa. E wo ye Apijon Street. Kofi Kinaata hit by hit and fans ni won no omunya ne gi obi aso ne phone light say obetwa Kofi Kinaata. So it was a spectacular show. Obi oba ye bia ankasa o twa ne sika. Then eguye Kofi Kinaata so be say so papa to ne nyum ne nyina na manfo tu sika gu no so ti show no ekọ kama bone bia ensi ewoye Mankranso iti ye da fans na ba ye ne nyina ase mo fi Kumasi ba ye mo fi Obo ase mo fi Adujama mo fi Mankranso ni kunsu tepafo a mo ba ye ebo akwafo a mo ti ba ye na be ehia mo nyina mo ya ade pa ma showroom ye kama show na hit jinem DJ Granada ebe say mu Bonyuma DJ Pizarro and so from Beginamu Bonyuma ti show there Charlie very massive very massive I'm upon your work until town no more ye bibia mamu videos and free a work no more then e buy it is your boy show na we there and ye mamu hu the course so e was shown as a bloggers e buy nyina no musum ba be say so from the airport here Kofi Kinaata straight to Mankranso. It was a massive and fantastic show and of course so Mankranso. Eti Kofi Kinaata performance no yen share kakra how is it was Kofi Kinaata you be a on share any gidigidi e stage sir. So on my majestic and gentle performance e Mankranso Apijos Resort bibia e so kama e wo show na say ye mapese musumu hu bi na next time we say Sunsuman Hof Entertainment ye show bi a musumu beba ma be support ama bibia akoso kama e dey amount so ba ye be ye ne de o so ndo no obonyo ba ko bi a shada mfa flexing on you and shada mfa nto no ba shatawa ni stone boy mo nyom na no ahwe ni army uniform no so the baba say so kakra de abamo a no wa fan fans kakra no so ekọ ti sunsun so eba say so kakra ye hwe Kofi Kinaata performance a or the maye e wo eye Happy Jones Resort
Abilu bagwano ye de me to be me so na mi ko ana yi na mo ndemana Abilu bagwano akari ne anu me ebe so na mi ko Nemene ni bebe pa abi munni mi yo munni mi baba ma se mi o ma se mi baba sama na wali ko Everything I grew up in, and the mama I'm saying, do not say to me. Osama, Obiaka, and the baby. Abraham, Jimmy, I come I want to tell you what's you. Pass the paddle and no one so. Hey, give me a fit to buy. It is finished.
so this is how I show no esikoye eye enura no me nu fie kra ahaya na wo se ye de bibia emamo na muso hu de koso e wo eye show na se ya bre enura for se be entertain mu ntino ya bre enura pansi ya na fe na me kope warm water bi lime kakra bi afra na media resume me treating voice na se na be ya metimi atwa eye medjuma so e ji show no de ekoso kama bone bia NC nyame nka mo mutimi support ye nyina Happy Jones Rua the owner of Happy Jones Resort Yankopo Enshan Abanga Mania the only China man also odi eche ko ya okobua ye concess mo bia kama no show na successful nyame enka mo nyina mo ho se mo support ma bia timi ko so kama the MI medin the fresh boy Papa J aha na me bibia be say so won se nesi ko ye no bibia akoso kama be the next time no try say BBC no ba oba join ye na nyina yakọ na yakọ party yourself say next artist here be beko medical omo call it for medical so we are working say the medical beside atwa omo yes I kwa say so subscribe share and like it na obi so into enye behwe thank you for watching peace I'm out